Okay, back with day 20 of the project. I'm going to start off with some of our Paynes Gray. I thought we'd play with the Inktense today, just to kind of see what that's going to happen there. I did wet my paper down a little bit. This is the Canson XL. Pretty cheap and expensive paper, but I don't normally work on this paper, but it's good for this challenge because these are quick paintings. Let's do some line work through here. This is an X-Acto knife. Some of you are asking about that. You can use a palette knife. I just like the marks that it makes through there. Okay, let's add a bit more of that Paynes Gray through here. Bring it down a little bit. Let's add in some of that sanguine color. Ooh, that's pretty. Maybe a little more. Okay, so these are the Derwent Inktense blocks. They come in this way. I only have the set of 12, but they have some cool colors. So you can see this one is my favorite. It's the indigo. First thing we're going to do is just kind of bring it in a little bit. And since this paper is wet, we're going to get a pretty bold line through there. Let's come in with, I don't want to take all of that away. The Inktense blocks or pencils, they dry permanent when they are activated with water. So you don't have to worry about them lifting up because they're like ink. Make some more lines through here. I think I want to bring some, I need a different color. Maybe I'll just stick with the blue. I think I'm liking the blue today. So let's make, see what, they're really fun to use. They're messy though. They are messy. Messy, messy, messy. Especially when you use them with water. It can get a little messy. A little fussy. But I do want to see like how, if we can use, obviously I think we can use the grading effect with them as well. We're going to need another color in here. Do I want to, I kind of like what's going on there. Let's see if we can't make some lines coming down this way. I think I want more of that sanguine color. Trying to stick with maybe it's going to be a 2-color landscape today. Maybe. Let's get our sandpaper. Grab this dry Inktense. Oh yeah, these are like super activated really quick. Let's try some of this green. Put a little bit more of that. Oh, that's fun. I like that green color. Let's come in a bit with the color shaper. Kind of bring this down through here. Ooh, that's fun. I like those marks. I'm going to spray this down with a little bit of water just to make sure it's all activated. And somebody asked in the comments yesterday if how you fix the charcoal marks. I haven't really done anything with fixing them, but they've stayed pretty well. I really haven't had any issue with them coming up after they're wet. But you can always use a fixative if you feel like it. Or like that. That's really fun. Yeah, I kind of like that. Just how simple that is. Let's see, what else? What else do we want to do? I'm going to bring some of this color through here, I think. You can see these are they're very creamy when they're activated. The pencils are great too because you have a little bit more control. But it's kind of fun to play with just putting them on marks on the paper to kind of see what we can get. And I didn't buy the bigger set because, as you can see, I've used very little, except for maybe like 2 colors. So I didn't really buy the bigger set, although I do love them. I love the Inktense. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like the green going through there. I'm trying to think. Do I want to bring that up a little more through there? Let's come in with a color shaper and see what happens if we just kind of push this up a little bit. See what that does. Makes it a little, I kind of want that shape to be a little bigger. Let's put some more of that through there. I like it. So definitely different marks that you can make with the Inktense. What happens if we come in with a little bit of this guy? You can see now that this paper is kind of pulling up a little bit. So it's not the best for what we're doing here, but, oh, I don't like that mark. But it's working. I kind of don't like that. Let me dry this real quick. Okay, I feel like it needs another color. I'm gonna get out the tinted charcoal. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the sand color. Maybe. That needs to be sharpened. Just to give a little pop. Might need some of this lavender. Just in some spots. Little pops of color, maybe. And it might need just a little bit. Just a little bit through there. And I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit to make some lines. Okay, I'm not sure if I like that. I kind of like it, but let's do, I don't think we need to use sandpaper. I just kind of want to bring in some lines through here. Okay, I need more. I need to sharpen that pencil. I've got a little bit of blue on there, but that's okay. Okay. Still not really, I don't know what to do up there. It's not really working for me. Let's see if we can make it a little bit gentler. You can see that's not really lifting up, but it is pilling. Okay, here it is with the matte. You can see that the Inktense colors, they do dry in a pretty matte finish. They're not terribly shiny or anything, which is I like. I like the Inktense. I like this little bit up here. Like, I think that really, I kind of like that little mountain shapey thing that came in. The only thing that I think that I would add, which I might do right now, is I feel like I want a line, so I'm going to come in with this charcoal with black. I just kind of want to make something implied shape almost to break that up just a little bit. Yeah, that works better for me. I think that's a much better. It was lacking some, I don't know, it just a little flat to me, but that kind of does something for me. I like the dynamic now of the shapes. Like the lines, love what happened with the color shaper and the Inktense through here. And I really like how the Inktense kind of laid down. Although I covered a lot of that up, but I like that part. I like the marks that we made through here. Overall, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, I thought I like it. So that's day 20. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.